Wagwan. Taking a morning stroll. It's Sunday morning and I literally just got up a few minutes ago. So this is my morning face, this is my morning voice. And I'm walking, so I decided to do a little vlog. So I'm a Jamaican living in Japan, and if anybody knows anything about Jamaica and anything about Japan, well, if you don't know, you can check my channel out because I have a lot of things about Jamaica and Japan. But if anybody knows, you know that it's a whole new world, okay? It's totally different from Jamaica in so many ways, maybe in every way. Not every way, but in a lot of ways, quite different. Like, yeah, why did I do it? Why did I do it? Why did I leave my tropical island where it's almost summer every time of the year, and my unique country where there are some just absolutely awesome, magnificent, exotic fruits and vegetables that you can find nowhere else in the world. My people, my people, my people.
Me pod, me short it out loud, me no give bun, I me no take bun, me only buy bun, I me only eat bun. How you forgive me? I you can't take it. Me look good, me smell good, me a good eyes, me have it up there, me a wife.
My people, my people, my people. My people who are just so straightforward. You don't have to wonder or guess and spell. You don't have to guess or spell what my people are thinking. No girl, I don't like you. I don't like you, so I'm not gonna pretend. Yeah, we Jamaicans, we don't do those things, you know what I mean? So here in Japan, it's like, okay, I wonder if they're okay with what I did. And then because they have this thing where they need to preserve the peace, they'll speak to your superior if you're at work, and yeah, they won't tell you if they have a problem with you. They smile. Oh, and the laugh, oh my gosh, can't stand the laugh sometimes, honestly. But yeah, so why did I leave Jamaica where I have all of that and more? I got my beautiful sunshine and the beaches. You can do rafting on the bamboo, the sunset. You can fly away with your knight in shining armor. Oh, white sand beaches. No, I'm not crying. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. The music, the vibe. Jamaican people not boring. We don't know if we do boringness. We don't know how to be boring. Right? The music, the vibe. Although it's too noisy sometimes. But yeah. Oh, can you hear that? Oh, the birds are singing for me. Luna, come shit in my head all the way to go wash. I just took out the braids, so I'm gonna wash it today. I'm just taking a walk like this. There aren't anybody much on the road, just one or two persons. And look at me, I wear. Hey, at Gala Road.
Decided that it's not going to be just blood related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Wagwan, big up on yourself. Thank you for my continued supporters. Continued or continuous? Hello, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan, my Ari fam. Big up on yourself. Thank you for my supporters who always keep coming back. But I use that word, because now I get myself in a trouble. Anyways, just messing with you all. Thank you for always, supporting the One Big Ari Family movement. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting. Now watch the video and now subscribe. Anyways, yeah, so I'm talking about leaving paradise to journey into the unknown, according to Sandy Heron, who has written a book about how she has left Jamaica and sell her car and do the works to live in Japan. And it's basically a journey into the unknown, because how much do we actually know about this place? 3/4.597. That's my own statistics. Of these people do not speak English. The food is very different. The culture is very different. The entire atmosphere is different. The living conditions are different. The working conditions are different. So how am I doing now? Am I happy? Am I excited? Am I surprised? Yes, I'm surprised about a whole lot of things, because you can do a lot of research about moving to a new place, but until you actually live there, you'll never be able to tell how your experience will fare out, what will happen with you. And that's what happened with a lot of persons. They do research, they watch YouTube videos, persons tell them this and that about a country, and they decide to move, and then when they go there, sometimes they get a shock. So first of all, you have to manage your expectations and make sure that you don't have high or low expectations. Just make sure say anything come, you deal with it. Anything right now. Yeah, that's how we see it. Anything, because anything can go on at any time. Any card can play. Right now, any card can play. Any movement can make. You see me? So you have to make sure say you know where you get yourself into, right? Because a lot of persons come to Japan and they don't enjoy it. They don't enjoy it at all. And want to go back home. And many persons come and have a good time. What about me? You still tell about me, man. But yeah, you have to understand that wherever you're going, you have to weigh the pros and the cons and make sure you make a decision. Why do I feel like matter in my eye? Don't make a decision because of what other people say. You have to make up your mind that comes what may, you're going to deal with it. Whatever comes your way, you're going to deal with it. Right? So, yeah. What about me? I've been living in Japan for over a year, and I must say that the good has outweighed the bad. Thanks be to God. He has been awesome. He has been faithful and great. I've met some really, really nice people along the way that I can call family members. Them are my Japanese family, yeah. I'm a Japanese mom, I'm a big sister, I I have my Japanese friends, or at least one friend, not really friends, but other acquaintances who don't put on a show that they care about me. They obviously are genuine. I can ask them to help me to do stuff. I'm doing this video and I didn't make a script, so I'm just all over the place. So I'm really feeling properly. Stop it right now.